Maintaining legacy. Windows software and encountered a hotspot file. This defines clickable areas in classic Windows help systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Windows help hotspot files. For those complex HOT formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. A HOT file is a component of the Microsoft Windows help system, used in conjunction with HLP files. It contains hotspot data, defining clickable regions within a help topic that link to other topics or trigger macros. Users typically encounter this file as part of a software's legacy help documentation. The HOT file is a proprietary binary format designed by Microsoft. It stores coordinate data and link targets in a compact structure optimized for quick lookups by the WinHelp engine. This separation from the main HLP content allowed for efficient rendering of interactive help documents in older Windows versions. The tool most commonly used for creating HOT files is Microsoft Windows Help by Microsoft Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows keeps them hidden because improperly modifying them risks system corruption. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your HOT file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Help first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If you are still having trouble opening the HOT file, do not worry. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, opening with Help Workshop. Install Microsoft Help Workshop, the legacy Win Help authoring tool. Open the hot file alongside its associated bitmap image to view and edit hotspot definitions. Modify regions, update topic links, or add new hotspots for help system development and maintenance of legacy documentation. Next, examining as binary. Open the hot file in a hex editor to inspect the structure. Look for coordinate data and topic reference strings within the binary format. This analysis supports reverse engineering legacy help systems when original authoring tools are unavailable or the file contains unexpected content. Finally, migrating to modern help. Convert legacy. WinHelp content, including hot files to modern formats, like HTML, Help CHM, or web-based documentation. Tools like Help Scribble or RoboHelp handle migration, preserving hotspot interactivity in newer formats. This ensures continued documentation access on current Windows versions which dropped WinHelp support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.